Making money online in 2025 is not the problem. Anyone can earn their first dollars. But here's the reality. 90% of freelancers stay at the bottom. They drown in competition, slash their prices, and work for pennies. Do you want to win among thousands just like you? Watch carefully. In this video, we'll give you 5 rules that will put you above the rest. And rule number 1 is the most important. Without it, you'll always stay just another freelancer. Rule number 5, invest in skills. In the online world, your income equals your skills. No skills, no money. It's that simple. Most freelancers are stuck on the same level. They can only do one piece of the job and think that's enough. But the market doesn't forgive weakness. A client doesn't want a piece, they want a complete solution. Learn to combine skills into powerful bundles. AI content generation plus social media marketing. The client gets posts with a full publishing plan. Website design plus no-code development. A ready-to-launch site without a programmer. Photography plus retouching. Visuals the client can post immediately. Marketing plus analytics. Not just ads, but results with numbers. One skill makes you a cheap freelancer. A bundle of skills turns you into a specialist who delivers the whole package. And that's what clients pay big money for. Rule number 4. Build assets, not side gigs. Freelancing gives you quick money, but it's a bubble. Stop taking orders, and your income drops to zero. Freelancers grind day and night, but in reality, all they're doing is trading time for pennies, year after year. The real win online is in assets. Things that work without your constant effort. A checklist, an online course, a pack of useful materials, a paid subscription channel, a YouTube channel. All of these bring income again and again, even while you sleep. Turn on financial thinking. A typical freelancer only worries about closing today's order, but someone with financial intelligence thinks about building a system that will feed them for years. Freelancing is a trap for those who only chase quick cash. Want to break free? Stop being a hired hand. Start thinking like an investor and build assets, or stay stuck at the bottom. Rule number 3, reinvest your first money. Your first earnings are not an excuse to buy an iPhone, clothes, or status symbols. That's what broke people do, and that's why they stay broke. Smart financial thinking is different. Every first dollar must fuel your growth. Put it into ads that bring new clients, into tools that make you work faster, into automation that frees your time for scaling. Your first money is fuel. Burn it on nonsense, and you'll stay stuck. Reinvest it, and that's what gives you the acceleration your competitors don't have. Rule number 2, collect real reviews and case studies. Set up your portfolio the right way. Collect real reviews from real people. Build trust as a specialist clients come back to and recommend to others. If you're just starting out, spend time on a low-paid project or do real work for friends. Links, a real client, a verifiable result. That's your advantage. Not just a pretty picture, but proof that you have real experience. Your portfolio and word of mouth are your capital. While other freelancers just say, "I can do it," you show facts. And facts sell you for higher prices and make clients return again and again. Rule number 1, sell results, not services. The problem with most freelancers is that they talk about themselves, not the client. And the client cares about only one thing, the value they'll get. The winner isn't the most talented, but the one who knows how to sell. The one who can write a strong offer a client can't refuse. The one who can present their service in a way that stands out among hundreds of identical freelancers. Not just a website, but a landing page that brings leads in the first 7 days. Not just video editing, but a video that grabs attention in the first seconds. Not just copywriting, but sales copy that actually converts. Financial thinking here is simple. You're not selling work for the sake of work. You're selling results and value. Clients always choose the one who shows benefits, not just services. In the online world, it's not the one who works harder who survives. It's the one who thinks smarter, Money comes and goes, but a system and the right financial mindset stay with you forever. Want to play the long game and actually win? Stay with us. Here we teach financial literacy and show you how to earn and grow your income. Hey, if you watched this, you're already doing better. Stay safe and be progressive.